Hi everyone, so I'm just doing the sketch that I did on my iPad. I did the sketch on Procreate and I went live and the video didn't come out the way I wanted. I didn't like the results. Some videos I can edit on live and some of them I can't. And this was one of these videos. I couldn't edit it. So I did a second live. So right now you just see me drawing on my sketch. I'm using tracing paper right now. And after I finish tracing the sketch, I'm gonna apply color. Now, when I did this, I used a different paper. I used plastic. And the markers and the pencils did not work well with the paper. So I'm curious to know if it would probably work better with maybe watercolor, I don't know. But when I use plastic on it, it smudged a lot, and some of the markers, I don't know what happened to them. I don't know if it's old or what, but some of the markers got messed up when I also used the paper. So since I wasn't happy how the sketch came out, I decided to go live again and to start all over, which I'm doing right now. I'm starting all over, and I decided to not to use the sketch since I already did it. I'm looking at the tracing paper right now, and I'm saying to myself, you know what? Let me just use this tracing paper instead of drawing it all over again. So I did a second live, and now I'm gonna remake the art again with the appropriate paper this time. So this paper I'm using is a marker paper, and it came out a lot better this time because I used the right paper. So all I'm gonna do is just sketch over the sketch and redo the art. Okay, so when I'm finished tracing my artwork, I like to go over my drawings with a pen before I start to shade in the color. Another thing too, when I'm shading in color, I like to start off with a lighter color first because if I make a mistake, I could easily fix it. I also normally would pencil my lines before I shade it in. And if I didn't do that, because I'm just rushing, because I don't have enough time, because everything was on live when I did this sketch. Okay, to do the ombre effect, I'm going to start off with a darker color first, and then I'm going to blend it in with a medium shade, and then I'm going to blend it in with a lighter shade to get that ombre effect. Okay, here is the croquis sketch. And then here is the sketch I did on tracing paper. And I changed the face a bit because I wanted to change the feature. And I sketched so fast that it didn't came out the way I wanted because I rushed. And this is the one I did on plastic. You can see there's a difference. The one I did on plastic. And this is the one I did on marker paper. So if you like that type of paper, this is the book I use. I don't use this one. I just got extra sheets of it, but I don't really use this one. It's just that I have a lot of sheets of it, so I'm just using it out. But I use a different one personally, but not this one. So yeah, so this is the final look of it. I tried to remake the drawing that I did on my iPad. Okay, so I just want to show you the artwork I did on Procreate. So I did this on Procreate. I love using Procreate, by the way. So, and this is the actual sketch. I tried to redo this artwork that I did on Procreate. So, yeah, if you want to be good at Procreate, you have to, it's the same thing as doing it on paper. You know, that's the way Procreate works. How you draw in real life on paper is the same way in Procreate, but I love it. I love using Procreate, but I'm just showing you. All right. I'll see y'all later. Bye.